Hi guys, welcome to my home gym. Today I'm going to show you my ab workout. We're going to do 8 exercises and you're going to do 2 rounds of each, and if you want more you can always go for 3 rounds. If you do 2 rounds of each without any break in between, you should be finishing up in between 12 to 15 minutes the whole workout. But you will definitely feel it in your core if you do it correctly and without taking any break. So without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so that was our workout for the ab. You should be feeling it in your core right away. If not right away, you will feel it later on. But if you have any questions, any comments, please do let me know. I will be posting more workout videos. If you have any certain type of video that you're looking for, please do let me know and I'll try to bring it out to you. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. I hope you liked working out with me. Take care. Thank you.